22 million Americans just lost healthcare. Congress failed. We have the solution. Each person who switches from $8,000 insurance to $600 telehealth saves $7,400. That funds 12 more. 8 months later, 234 million covered. One policy solves 5 crises. Universal healthcare, 8 million jobs, $888 billion saved. No more wars, democracy restored. 3.5% organized equals guaranteed change. That's 11.6 million signatures. We force town halls. We recall anyone who refuses. January 31 deadline. Allow telehealth in ACA or we replace you. Sign now at phirs.org.